Good morning, everyone. We live in a world where change is constant. The world keeps moving, evolving, and if we stand still, we risk falling behind. That's why improving ourselves every day is not just a choice. It's a necessity. Self-improvement isn't about perfection. It's not about becoming someone else. It's about becoming the best version of yourself day by day, step by step. Even small changes, when practiced consistently, lead to massive results over time. You don't need to wait for a new year, a Monday, or a sign from the universe. Every single day gives us a brand new chance to become stronger, wiser, kinder, and more focused than we were yesterday. Whether it's reading a page from a book, learning something new, reflecting on your actions, or simply choosing a better response, you're growing. That growth adds up. And soon you'll look back and realize how far you've come. Improvement doesn't mean being hard on yourself. It means believing in yourself enough to invest in your future. It means loving yourself enough to want more from yourself and for yourself. So I challenge you, wake up every day and ask, how can I be 1% better today? That question alone can change your life. Because when you commit to improving yourself every day, nothing stays the same. Everything gets better. One of the biggest misconceptions people have about growth is that it happens in big dramatic moments like getting a degree, landing a dream job, or reaching a fitness goal. While those milestones are worth celebrating, real self-improvement doesn't begin or end with those high points. It happens in the quiet moments, in the routines we build, in the decisions we make when no one is watching. Improving yourself every day means committing to a lifestyle, not an occasional project. It's not something you do once in a while when you feel motivated or when everything is going right. In fact, it's especially important on the days when things are hard, when you're tired, discouraged, or unsure. Because growth isn't about waiting for perfect conditions. It's about pushing through imperfect ones with a mindset that says, I may not be where I want to be, but I'm better than I was yesterday. This mindset transforms the way you see your day. You start to find value in things others might overlook. Waking up a little earlier to prepare for your day becomes an act of progress. Choosing to respond with patience instead of anger becomes a personal win. Saying no to distractions, making time to read, practicing gratitude, or taking care of your body. These seemingly small things become acts of self-respect. They are proof that you're serious about who you're becoming. When you treat self-improvement as a lifestyle, it also becomes more sustainable. You stop chasing impossible standards and start honoring your own pace. You realize that progress isn't always visible. Some days growth is choosing not to give up. Some days it's just showing up. But every one of those days counts. You also become more resilient. Life will throw challenges your way, setbacks, disappointments, even failure. But if you're committed to growing every day, you start to see failure differently. Instead of letting it define you, you let it refine you. You take the lesson and move forward with more awareness, more clarity, and more strength. Self-improvement as a daily process means you never stop learning. You never stop evolving. It doesn't matter how much you've achieved. There's always another layer to uncover, another skill to sharpen, another part of yourself to explore. It keeps life interesting. And it keeps you humble. The idea that dramatic change can only happen through major leaps is a trap that many people fall into. It's easy to think that to truly improve or achieve something, you need to make a huge noticeable shift, like changing your entire career overnight or completely transforming your body in a month. However, the truth is that lasting progress comes not from massive sudden changes, but from consistent small actions taken every single day. These small actions, though they may seem insignificant in the moment, compound over time to produce results far beyond what you could have imagined. Think of it like building a brick house. Every day, you might only lay one brick, but over time, those small bricks stack up and eventually form something solid and beautiful. In the same way, small actions in our lives can create momentum that eventually leads to big, life-changing results. For example, if your goal is to become more knowledgeable, you don't need to read an entire book in one sitting. You don't even need to read for hours each day. What matters is reading a little bit every day, whether that's a few pages or a chapter. Over time, those daily readings add up, and before you know it, you've read dozens of books and gained a wealth of knowledge. You didn't have to push yourself to do everything at once. You just needed to be consistent, even if your progress seemed slow in the beginning. The same goes for fitness. Maybe you're aiming to improve your health, but you don't have hours each day to work out. Rather than waiting for the perfect time to begin a full training regimen, you could start with just 10 minutes a day. Perhaps you begin with a short walk, a quick stretching routine, or a few bodyweight exercises. These small commitments done regularly lead to long-term changes in your body. As your stamina builds, your strength grows, and before long, what felt like a small effort becomes second nature, and your physical transformation begins to show. When we focus on small daily actions, we also remove the pressure of needing instant results. We stop getting discouraged by the lack of overnight transformation and start to trust the process. Growth becomes less about the end goal and more about the satisfaction of daily progress. And this shift in perspective is powerful because it enables us to stay on track even when immediate results aren't visible. It's important to remember that consistency is the key. One small action might not feel like much on its own, but when practiced daily, it has a cumulative effect. Let's take writing for instance. If you commit to writing just one paragraph a day, you may not feel like you're accomplishing much at first. But over the course of a month, you'll have written 30 paragraphs. Over a year, that's 365 paragraphs. And at the end of a few years, you may have written an entire book or developed a meaningful body of work. The power lies not in writing one perfect paragraph, but in showing up every single day to write something, however small. This same principle applies to any area of self-improvement. Whether it's building relationships, learning a new language, mastering a skill, or cultivating emotional resilience, the small, consistent actions you take every day are what will propel you forward. The trick is not to wait for a breakthrough, but to recognize that each step, no matter how tiny, is a breakthrough in itself. What's more, small actions make growth feel more achievable. When the goal feels too overwhelming, breaking it down into manageable bite-sized tasks makes it easier to start and sustain. The key is to begin, even if it's just with one simple action. And don't underestimate the power of repetition. Over time, as you repeat these small actions, they become habits. These habits shape your daily life and, eventually, your identity. Little by little, you transform not only your actions but also the way you see yourself. As you continue to follow through on these small promises to yourself every day, you start to embody the qualities of the person you've always wanted to be. There's a common belief that self-improvement or significant change requires a grand, life-altering event or a special moment. This idea is reinforced by New Year's resolutions, milestone birthdays, or other calendar events that signal the perfect time to start a new chapter. People wait for the stars to align, for the right time to take action. But the reality is, there's no perfect moment. The ideal time to begin your journey toward growth, change, and improvement is right now. Today, in this very moment. The truth is that waiting for a special moment often means you're waiting forever. Life is unpredictable. It doesn't slow down, it doesn't wait for you to feel ready, and it certainly doesn't provide you with a perfect opportunity to begin. If you constantly hold out for the ideal time to start something, whether it's starting a new fitness routine, learning a new skill, or addressing a bad habit, you might find yourself waiting indefinitely. Life will always throw distractions, challenges, and unexpected events your way. And if you're waiting for a perfect moment, you could easily miss the chance to start altogether. The most successful people don't wait for a special moment to act. They create their own moments. They recognize that the right time to start something is always now. They don't wait for a clean slate. They don't wait until everything is in order. And they certainly don't wait until they feel 100% motivated. Instead, they take action with what they have, where they are. Because they understand that the process of growth doesn't require perfection. It only requires the willingness to begin. Think about it. How many times have you told yourself, I'll start on Monday? Or I'll start after this busy week? These promises of starting later give us the illusion that we need some sort of external factor to make our improvement possible. But the truth is that there's never going to be a perfect time to start. There will always be something standing in the way if you let it. The only thing standing between you and your goals is your decision to take the first step right now. This doesn't mean that every decision has to be made impulsively or that you shouldn't plan. But it does mean that you shouldn't wait for some magical external factor to motivate you into action. Waiting for the perfect time can leave you stuck in a loop of procrastination, as you're constantly putting off taking action until everything's just right. But if you look closely, a just right never really comes. Let's take fitness as an example. Many people put off getting in shape because they believe they need a gym membership, fancy equipment, or a perfectly structured workout plan. They think they need to wait until they're in better shape or until they have more time. But the truth is, you can start with a simple walk around your neighborhood, some basic bodyweight exercises at home, or stretching routines that don't require any equipment. You don't need to wait until you can afford a gym membership or until you have a detailed workout schedule. Every day you wait is another day you could have spent improving your physical health, no matter how small the effort. Similarly, in other areas of life, you don't need a special moment to make progress. Want to learn a new language? Start by learning a few words a day. Want to write a book? Start by writing a sentence. Want to improve your emotional intelligence? Start by practicing mindfulness or journaling for 10 minutes each day. The key is that progress doesn't require a perfect setup or the ideal moment. It simply requires you to start. Even if you don't feel fully ready, you can still take that first step. And that step leads to another and another until you're building momentum. The important thing to remember is that starting doesn't have to be grand. You don't have to wait until everything aligns perfectly. The best time to begin is the moment you decide it's time to commit to your own growth. It means there is always space to grow, learn, and evolve. You don't have to be perfect to be your best self. You just need to be authentic, true to yourself, and committed to your own path. Embracing your individuality also means giving yourself permission to fail, learn, and try again. It means understanding that mistakes are part of the journey and not a reflection of your worth. When you compare yourself to others, failures feel more personal because they seem like a mark of inadequacy. But when you focus on your own growth, failures become opportunities for learning, not evidence that you're not good enough. You start to see setbacks as stepping stones, not as indicators that you're on the wrong path. And that mindset shift is empowering. Your best self isn't a fixed version of you. It's a constantly evolving process. It's the version of you who wakes up every day with a commitment to get better. Not because someone else is better, but because you owe it to yourself to grow, to learn, and to evolve. It's about looking at yourself not as a finished product, but as a work in progress. Every day, you become a little stronger, a little wiser, and a little more in tune with your values. That's what self-growth is all about. Continuing to grow into the person you were always meant to be, not the person someone else wants you to be. Ultimately, the journey of self-growth is about freedom. It's about releasing yourself from the burden of comparisons, the pressure of societal expectations, and the need to conform to external standards. When you stop trying to be like someone else, you give yourself the freedom to truly live as yourself. You open the door to deeper fulfillment because you're no longer chasing someone else's dreams, you're chasing your own. You're creating a life that reflects your unique passions, strengths, and values. In this way, your growth becomes both deeply personal and incredibly powerful. You're not competing with anyone. You're simply striving to become the best version of yourself, with all of your unique experiences, talents, and perspectives. Belief in yourself is the cornerstone upon which all personal growth and progress are built. Without it, every step toward improvement feels daunting. Every setback feels insurmountable, and every challenge seems impossible to overcome. But when you have confidence in your own abilities, you become unstoppable. Believing in yourself doesn't mean thinking you're perfect or that you'll never fail. It simply means trusting that you have the strength, resilience, and resourcefulness to keep going, no matter what obstacles you face. At the heart of self-belief is the understanding that you are enough, just as you are. This doesn't mean that you're unwilling to grow or improve. Rather, it means accepting that you have the potential to achieve whatever you set your mind to, no matter where you are starting from. It means acknowledging your inherent worth and recognizing that your journey, while unique, is valuable. The road to progress doesn't require perfection. It requires belief, perseverance, and the willingness to continue moving forward, even when the way is unclear. When you truly believe in yourself, you develop a growth mindset. You understand that failure is not an indication that you are incapable. Rather, it is a sign that you're learning, evolving, and pushing your limits. People with strong self-belief view challenges as opportunities to grow, rather than insurmountable roadblocks. They understand that setbacks are part of the process, and that each failure is simply a lesson that brings them closer to success. When you trust in your ability to learn and adapt, failures don't seem like dead ends. They become stepping stones on your path toward achievement. Belief in yourself also means taking ownership of your choices and actions. It means recognizing that while life may present you with difficulties or circumstances beyond your control, how you respond is entirely within your power. Self-belief empowers you to take responsibility for your own progress. When you believe you can overcome obstacles, you're more likely to seek solutions, take initiative, and make decisions that support your growth. You stop waiting for external validation or circumstances to change, and instead, you focus on what you can control: your mindset, your effort, and your actions. One of the most powerful aspects of self-belief is its ability to propel you forward, even when others doubt you. In a world where external opinions can shape our self-worth, it's easy to rely on the approval of others to gauge our potential. But true belief in yourself doesn't come from the approval of others. It comes from within. When you trust your abilities and stay true to your vision, you become less affected by criticism, rejection, or judgment. You begin to filter out the noise and focus on what truly matters: your personal journey. This internal belief also leads to greater resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back after adversity, and it is fueled by the conviction that you are capable of handling whatever comes your way. When you believe in yourself, you can face setbacks with the confidence that they won't define you. Instead, they become challenges to overcome, not reasons to give up. You learn that failure is a temporary setback, not a permanent state. You may stumble, but you get back up stronger, more determined, and ready to keep going. Moreover, self-belief has a ripple effect on every area of your life. When you have confidence in your abilities, it becomes easier to take risks, pursue your dreams, and embrace opportunities. You stop playing small and start aiming higher, knowing that your potential is limitless. Belief in yourself makes you willing to push boundaries, challenge the status quo, and step outside your comfort zone. As you take these bold steps, you begin to create momentum that leads to even greater accomplishments. Every action you take, no matter how small, builds your confidence and propels you toward your goals. Belief in yourself also enables you to practice self-compassion. When you trust in your worth, you are less likely to beat yourself up over mistakes or imperfections. Instead of harsh self-criticism, you offer yourself kindness and understanding, acknowledging that everyone is human and that growth is a journey, not a destination. This compassion fuels your ability to keep going, even when things get tough. It helps you stay motivated and focused, because you know that you're not in this alone. And that even if you slip up, you can always get back on track. Ultimately, belief in yourself is the inner fire that drives you to keep pushing forward, even when external circumstances are less than ideal. It is the bedrock upon which all other aspects of growth are built. When you believe in yourself, you stop waiting for someone else to give you permission to succeed. You become the author of your own story, and you trust that you have the strength to overcome whatever challenges come your way. Belief in yourself isn't a guarantee of immediate success, but it is a guarantee that you will never stop trying, never stop learning, and never stop growing. Self-improvement is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It's a long, sometimes winding journey that requires both patience and consistency. One of the most common traps people fall into when trying to improve themselves is expecting rapid results or looking for shortcuts to success. They might start with enthusiasm, setting high goals and imagining quick transformation. However, when they don't see immediate progress, they often get discouraged and give up too soon. But the truth is, lasting growth doesn't happen overnight. It's built through consistent effort, small actions taken every day, and the patience to trust that the results will come eventually. Patience is perhaps the most important quality to cultivate on the path to self-improvement. Change takes time, and the road to becoming the best version of yourself will be filled with challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. During those times, it's easy to get discouraged. You might wonder if all the effort you're putting in is worth it, especially when the results aren't immediately visible. But this is where patience becomes critical. It's in the moments of uncertainty that you have to remind yourself that growth is happening, even if you can't see it yet. Think about a tree growing. The process isn't visible every day. For years, a tree's roots might be silently expanding underground before the trunk and branches start to show any growth above the surface. But that underground work is essential for the stability and strength of the tree. Similarly, when you're improving yourself, much of the work happens behind the scenes, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. You may not always notice the changes happening inside you, but every day you're building resilience, developing new habits, and gaining new insights that will eventually manifest in tangible ways. The key to patience is learning to trust the process. You may not see the results immediately, and at times, you might even feel as though you're not making any progress at all. But if you stay consistent, keep showing up, and continue doing the work, even when it feels slow, you will eventually see the fruits of your labor. Often, growth comes in waves, and sometimes it's only when you look back at where you started that you realize just how far you've come. Consistency is the companion to patience. It's not enough to just be patient and hope for results. You also need to show up every day, making progress little by little. Self-improvement requires ongoing effort. It means doing the things that contribute to your growth, even when you don't feel like it, or when the results aren't apparent. This is where consistency becomes a game changer. Even if the progress is small, the cumulative effect of consistent action over time is incredibly powerful. For example, if your goal is to get healthier, consistency doesn't mean working out for hours every day. It means committing to regular exercise, even if it's just 15 or 20 minutes a day. It's about choosing healthy meals more often than not and making small, positive changes over time. You won't notice drastic changes in the first week or even the first month, but over the course of several months or a year, you will see a significant transformation. That transformation is the result of consistent choices made over time, not one big effort. This same principle applies to all areas of self-improvement. If you want to learn a new skill, such as a language or playing an instrument, you don't need to expect to be fluent or a virtuoso overnight. What you need is the consistency to practice regularly, whether it's spending 10 minutes a day on vocabulary or practicing scales for 15 minutes. It's through this consistent, steady practice that you will gradually improve and become more proficient. Your brain and body need time to adapt, to strengthen those neural pathways, and to develop new muscle memory. The more you practice consistency, the more it becomes ingrained in your routine. And this is the beauty of consistency. It turns improvement into a habit. When something becomes a habit, you don't need to think about it as hard. It's no longer a challenge to wake up early and work out, or to spend 10 minutes reading each day. It becomes part of who you are. And when self-improvement becomes a part of your daily routine, the results can be profound. The challenge, however, is that consistency doesn't always feel rewarding in the short term. Sometimes progress feels like it's happening at a glacial pace. There might be days when you question whether it's all worth it, especially when you compare yourself to others who seem to be making faster strides. But the key to consistency is not letting those fleeting moments of doubt derail you. It's remembering that growth is a process and that it's not about competing with anyone else. It's about showing up for yourself, day in and day out, with patience and commitment. The truth is, there will be days when you feel unmotivated or when it seems easier to give up. This is where consistency truly shines. On those days, consistency isn't about motivation. It's about discipline. It's about showing up even when you don't feel like it. It's about knowing that every small action you take, every day you stay committed, is a step toward your larger goal. And on the days when it feels tough, those small, consistent efforts will add up and carry you forward, even when motivation seems scarce. Ultimately, patience and consistency work together to create momentum. When you practice self-improvement regularly and with patience, you create a powerful momentum that carries you toward your goals, even when the journey seems long. And that momentum is what keeps you moving forward, even in the face of obstacles. With patience to let things unfold naturally and consistency to ensure you keep moving, you will eventually look back and realize that all of the small steps you took have led to big changes. As we've discussed today, self-improvement is a journey that requires dedication, patience, consistency, and, most importantly, belief in yourself. It's not about becoming someone else, but about becoming the best version of who you already are. The process may not always be easy, and the results may not come overnight. But with each small step you take toward growth, you're building a foundation for lasting change. Remember, the key to success is showing up every day, even when the path seems unclear or progress feels slow. Every choice you make, every moment of effort, no matter how small, is an investment in your future. And just like a tree that grows strong by steadily reaching toward the sky, your efforts will compound over time. Believe in yourself, be patient, stay consistent, and most importantly, embrace the process. Because every step forward, no matter how tiny, is a victory. So today, make the decision to start. Start where you are with what you have. And keep going day after day, knowing that every moment you dedicate to improving yourself is a moment you're shaping a better tomorrow. The journey of self-improvement may not always be easy, but it will always be worth it. You've got this, one step at a time.